Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 6, 2022. One star Sudoku. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 1. Column J, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 can come here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column F, 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, the 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 1. 3rd row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will be in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. And then 9 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 2nd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 2nd grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.